welcome back to Pops. I thought I was recording earlier, but apparently I wasn't, so we're going to be changing the odometers, the gears. They're both messed up, or I should say broken. Anyway, we took the cover off, we took the headlight switch off. Now we're in the process of taking out the instrument cluster. So these screws on here are a T20. Careful you don't lose them. Apparently whoever else was in here lost it for the cover, and it was just laying inside here. I don't see why he didn't, why he couldn't find it or look for it or whatever it is. I guess people are just lazy, I don't know. Well, I'm doing it here. I use the tools that I have, so. There. Oh, found it. There we go. Let's see if that's what it does. Brings this loose. Yay! Okay. When you take those 4 screws out, the T20s, each corner of the this bezel, this I guess bezel, whatever. You pull this out, and behind here are the wire connections for your clusters. Sorry for the bad lighting, but that's what we have here. Yeah, there's 2 wire harnesses back here, and we gotta take them off to get the cluster out. Excuse the light here, but I gotta see inside there. Let me hold this up again. Let me see if I can turn this up. Nope, that's it. Can't pull it anymore.
Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Pops.
All right. Took the 4 screws out. We tilted this up. We took out the 2 connectors in the back of this, and basically all you do is just press it down, and they should pop out. But being they've been in here since 1998, you're gonna have to give a little oomph to get it out. Okay, next is we disassemble the glass, take the glass out so we can get to the instrument clusters, and all these screws right up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 screws, and we're looking at what size are they? A T15. Okay, I'm gonna go out there and start unscrewing this, then get the bezel out, and then I'll turn the camera back on. Oh, hey folks, welcome back. I got them down to the last 2 screws here. I'll take off the glass panel, and I'll give a good whirl here. Let's see. All right, there we go. And we got one more screw here. That's so we can these off.
T15?
T15. All these here are all T15s. Except for the four corner ones, they're T20s. Let me get a flathead here. I'll be right back here. Great. Yeah, just be careful. This is plastic. This should just come straight up like that. Whew. Talk about rust. Boy, that gets into everywhere. But that's not our concern. That's not what we want. We have to take these out, corner ones first, because they're the ones that are holding down the centers. Okay. Yeah, see these pins? They all fit into that. So you have to be very careful. And now the center should just come straight out. There we go. Put this off to the side, and here's your odometers and trip. Turn it around. There it is. This is the gear that's busted. Somewhere along the line there, it's busted. Lucky for me, I bought it. This, you basically just not my day, folks. So we gotta turn it clockwise. Well, here's the parts. Let me see. I know they're supposed to just turn this, but I don't understand why we're having this kind of hard time. See, I got it loose. Just, it won't turn.
It'll come right out.
It's supposed to turn. There we go. Persistence. That's all I gotta say. Keep at it, you'll get it. Where do we get this from? Now, here's your gears. I don't understand why it wouldn't work. The worm gear looks good. Let's see about this main gear. Ah, there we go. Teeth are missing. See that, Junior?
Mm-hmm.
See that? Right here.
Yeah.
Here, right here. That's why. Once it got into this area, that's it.
The wonder it stopped working.
Yep.
Okay.
So
Now we got to put the new gear on.
let's get the rest of the crap out. Let's see. Put it in here. Yeah, looks everything okay. Okay. Here's the new gears. Here's the part number. I would like to say, well, it claims it says made in the USA. So I don't know how much of that is to believe, because apparently all they have to do is assemble it in America, and then they can put down it's made in the USA.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Okay, here's the new gears, and here's the new here's the old warm gear. Got to take that one off. Okay. Yeah, this sucker goes in a little hard. There it goes, it's coming out now. Yeah, from the looks of it, it looks still good, so it probably could have stayed there, but I'm not well, let us clean this place up a little bit, the insides of all this, get the dust, dirt, everything out, and we'll get back to you out there and show you how to install it.